You will love coming home to this spectacular 4-bedroom farmhouse-style home in the Exit 8, Rossview area. This user-friendly floor plan features arched doorways, hardwood floors, fireplace and built-ins. The dream kitchen comes west/granite countertops, stainless appliances, built-in double oven, farmhouse sink, pantry and island. The master bedroom is a showplace all by itself, west/huge walk-in closet, tray ceiling, garden tub, tile shower and double vanities. Covered deck and patio.